So next, let's go over something called molecularity, where just as you had a way of classifying reactions using reaction order, now you need to find a way of being able to classify elementary reactions within a reaction mechanism as well. So you're going to be able to do this by using something called molecularity, which is just basically the number of reactant molecules you have within a particular equation. And again, you're dealing with reactants, you're not dealing with products at all. And the different types of molecularity that you can have are just the following. You can have unimolecular, meaning you only have one reactant molecule in an elementary reaction. You can have bimolecular, which means you have two reactant molecules, and that's also the most common type of molecularity that you can have. And then the third type is termolecular, meaning you have three reactant molecules. That one doesn't happen as often, because usually you'll start off with either one molecule and you'll have a decomposition taking place, or you'll start off with two molecules and you'll have a synthesis taking place. Usually you don't have the third. So let's just go through how you figure this out. You're given a mechanism in this case, which again, within the mechanism you have elementary steps, and those are the steps that you need to figure out what the molecularity is going to be. So in this case, if you look at the first step here, you'll see that you have Cl2 as a reactant. You only have one molecule, so that means it's going to be uni. Now if you go down to the next step, you'll notice that you have Cl and you have CHCl3, two molecules in that case, so this will be bi. And then if you go to the next step, you have Cl, you have CCl3, again two molecules in this case, so you have bi. So that past example was just showing you how to figure out the molecularity for each step. Now if you want to just deal with the overall reaction within the mechanism, do it the same exact way. You look to see what your reactants are. In this case you have O3, you have NO, you have two molecules, so this overall reaction is just going to be bimolecular. And again, this is just a way of classifying your elementary reactions.